Time isn't just what clocks measure. It's elastic. It bends. Near a black hole, it practically snaps. Here's the simple rule. Stronger gravity, slower time. A black hole is gravity turned up to 11. Time there crawls. Scientific layer. Imagine I'm orbiting safely outside a black hole. You're drifting closer to the event horizon, the point of no return. My clock ticks. Your clock ticks. They disagree. From my vantage point, your motion slows. Your light stretches red. You seem to freeze, never quite crossing. That's not an illusion. It's space-time geometry. From your perspective, your watch feels normal. You breathe, you blink, you think, no drama. Beyond you, the universe speeds up. Galaxies skip forward like a time lapse. The closer you get, the more the outside rushes into your moments. At the horizon, our timelines diverge completely. That edge is the strangest boundary in physics. General relativity, our grand, smooth picture. Quantum mechanics, the jittery, subatomic world. At the singularity, curvature goes infinite. Our equations say, I don't know. Philosophical layer. A black hole is the crossroads of being and non-being. On one side, stars, planets, ticking clocks. On the other, the unknowable. The universe whispers, there is more than you can measure. Time reveals its true nature here. Local, relational, fragile. Inside the horizon, space and time swap roles. Moving forward becomes falling inward. The finite, matter, light. Moments fold into something that behaves like infinity. Spiritual layer. Think of the cross as a symbol, the meeting of heaven and earth. Infinite and finite. Death and rebirth. A black hole is a cosmic cross. It destroys structure and seeds transformation. Information may smear into radiation over eons. Hawking's faint whisper. Some imagine white holes, the reverse, where what went in bursts out elsewhere. Speculative, but evocative. Which brings me to the Big Bang. If a black hole is an imploding infinity, the Big Bang is an exploding one. A mirror image. One funnels futures inward, the other sprays possibility outward. Both mark a crossing, where time begins or effectively ends. So what is a black hole, really? It's the intersection where infinity and finitude meet. The line between what I can measure and what I can only imagine. Stand far away, time slows to a stop. Fall toward it, the cosmos races ahead. Either way, time isn't a river we float down together. It's a landscape that bends under gravity. Black holes are its cliffs. Look long into that darkness. You don't just learn about black holes. You learn how fragile our certainties are, how vast the unknown still is.